about to do a series of keep or returns, and you guys are gonna help me. Right here, guys, please, where is my waist? Wow, this on holiday? Stop it. I kind of love this. I feel like this is a hit or miss. Bought something very, very similar from Rat and Boa, but if that one is longer, I'll probably go with Rat and Boa one. But I love the colour with a white top. Next we have this one piece. So hot. The back, so fire. I've just paired it with my Savannah Marrow trousers, and I also got the bikini top as well. Also for the purposes of the top. This one I'd wear to a day party because I think it's kind of hot. This one is purely for wearing as a top. I also got these heels, which are very obviously a dupe for the Jacquemus ones, which I never really had much interest in. But these are very, very cute. I like these. I don't like the originals, but I like the dupes. I think this is going to be stunning with a wrap top, a wrap white top. Really, really love the colour on holiday. This against my skin, bangers. Jesus, I nearly fell over there doing sexy. This one is maxi. Back looks like. Got this corset top. I actually really like this outfit. I feel like it's my favourite, so very appropriate that the best is last. I wish, oh, it does come down. I was gonna say I wish it came down a little bit. Okay, but I actually kind of like it up. This is a cute top corset though. This is a cute top though. It's good that you have the option to have it up or have it down, but I'm gonna have it up. And that is the end of today's keep and delete. Let me know what you think, guys, and like and follow for more. Okay, bye.